We are back with another amazing keyboard from Drop. Now, if you are a fan of Drop and they're really high-end, really well-built items, then this allows you to once again enjoy and take benefit from their really cool products. But on top of that, if you're a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, then this is their fourth keyboard in the series. It uses the Black Speech from Mordor, just like the last one we did. But the main difference between this model and the prior model is the fact that while that one was all about, you know, Sauron and the Mordor in general, this one is all about the Ringwraiths, because the Nazgul also speak the Black Speech. And this keyboard is designed with specific artwork for them. Instead of having a solid black base, it has a red front, as you can see here. And then you've got the Witch Kings and the Nazgul right there on there, which is very solid. Again, you have all of the language there. You have your actual keys underneath it, so if you're not really familiar with it, you'll be able to look at that to help guide you, but really solid. Got the horse rider right there, the ring. In the back, it's just that really shiny red. And then your Drop plus the Lord of the Rings on there. Really solid. Great kickstands on here, rubber soled. You got your plug for connecting your computer right there for the USB-C. And then inside the box, we have the rest of our accessories, which is our red keys. You can swap out on there. So for instance, if you wanted to swap out your enter key, you could swap to that. You could swap this key here. I definitely would recommend swapping this key for this key because you've got two of the same kind of key there. So this key will really make it stand out more. And I personally would love to go for the directional keys of the red. It looks really cool. There's your power cord, and here is your actual tool to help swap out the keys. The two-tone in color just makes it look so much cooler. Just pop that right up there, and then you can take the key and then just place it right in there. So again, it's really easy and simple to be able to swap out the keys for the ones that you want with this really nice device. And you've got these really amazing keys. And with a really high-end mechanical keyboard, you are getting quality. But one thing that we always get asked, and that is, what does the keys sound like? So, got a little lav here. But yeah, it's a beautiful keyboard, and if you've got more of a red theme but you still love Lord of the Rings for your desk, your battle station, this is a good option to bring a little bit of that color to pop on your desk while also still showcasing your deep love for the literary great that is the Lord of the Rings. Well, hopefully you guys have found this interesting. You're going to pick up one of these great keyboards for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.